what's up, Zimbabwe? This is your man, CPM Emeritus, and you are watching Ipapo Sessions.
Welcome back to Trip Media Ipapo Sessions, episode 3, where we give you entertainment. So today we have CPM Emeritus. How is it, my brother?
I'm good, man. What's up?
I say boom, that's it, my baby.
Oh, my baby.
Are you ready for Ipapo Sessions?
Born ready. Yes.
So I would like you to give my audience, my fans, my team, let's say, who is CPM Emeritus? Jan, remember music, brief information yet.
Okay, CPM Emeritus is a hip hop, R&B, Afro pop artist, you name it. Personally, I don't want to put myself in a box.
Yeah.
I can do anything.
Okay.
Can I go to music?
Nice. So let's get to the things that we get spin a patch by piece.
Yes.
We get see a game better. Mama nasi pachanga to game ngo tumchango 3 then mo pick one.
Yes.
So we get to box nedu ndaraga timbo lichukucha timbo noti muchasanza chibi cha mukava mafari ne baba pa 3 baba. So let's take our box. Right. Again nazo lichukucha box because zvinonge zvagona kunyesa netsa mukatumu. Munazono lakira kanaka. But anyway, since my team munoroa zvanwe vese natimbira kundongere chekusero koko musinganazoona zvikiitika mukatimu. Saro asimudza titaurirewo ndizidu dzamafanza akotwa saro dzatakanzi chi.
Let me
check your time.
Oh my gosh. Vachini.
Yes. Right. Number 1. Let's go for number 2. Chepakati. Andifunga mabreka. Ngatizanzire chitatu rokupedzere.
Mbinga isina chini.
Yes. Yeah. Now zvapisa pieces. So ndada kukupa 5 seconds chete dzoti musarudze 1 pa 3 amasarudza. Amapika musarudza 1 topika mukuda. Saka ngiteka kudzika zvangu. 5 4 3 2
Mbinga isina chini.
1. Good. Nice. Saka today CPM Emeritus masarudza mbinga isina chini ndizvo.
Yes.
Mbinga isina chini. So I don't know mchakuda nechijagara sei, but what are you hoping for? Chakuda uchifungwa kuti pachaya tepe betrayal sei. Changere afro here, hip hop here, R&B.
Apa pana unobuda anything.
Saka
nice. Expect fire.
Good. Saka ndipoka kuzunzire Trip Media kuti nasi CPM Emeritus akugadzira fireworks. So watch out and see. Welcome back to Dzoka Zakare Trip Media Entertainment. Zvikiitika panzo kuti ndaraga ndikugadzira kuna moto chaicho rubvira waizi. Saka gebere baba ndauda kukusiyana producer.
Okay.
Ndibve producer Divergence. Ndara mafanzi achabuda apa ndikutaurira. Kugadzira chikora chakapenga mudari. Waizi mafanzi akamirira. So Divergence, let me introduce you to Divergence, the producer for today. Ndara waizi nipere ngoma yenyu mura.
Yo, what's up kid?
CPM Emeritus economics. Bozo ndanzoranzi man nga theme inodai kuna kitu.
Yes, mbinga isina chini.
Alright.
Yeah.
Ndiko kwa mbinga isina chini.
Mazono usinesa mbinga isina chini.
Una wadazi nyedera. Kuti mbinga.
Mbinga.
Maura. Otherwise boy man. I think iti tange zvedu. Tinzoti pakatikatsira zvipi nasi.
Iri munzoti topiwa zvipi.
Tokutemba ndine mbinga dzacho dzine zvinhu. Otherwise iri seko music industry.
Music tichiwanda panenge panapa sozo.
Music
yato
mukupusha.
Mawix tupo.
Munyanzopura. Kuona mawix enyamurwa. Zvodza kuti mukupusha.
Tumupusha. Toda kubudikira.
Varabudikira aiwa. Ndokutobudikira kwacho. Kana varabudikira. What's the vibe?
So I think kutanga tufana tripa hip hop like. Into shifter. Takwenda ku afro like
shifter.
I'm borrowing rides every day, gotta lie where I stay just to slay, tripa social every day. Kumarai makunditi Gucci fe. Mbinga sina chini, something like that. I'm borrowing rides every day, gotta lie where I stay just to slay, tripa social every day. every day. I'm borrowing rides every day. Gotta lie where I stay just to slay. Trip a social every day. Umarain makunditi Gucci fe. Binga sina chin. I don't have a house by the beach. I was never rich. I try to be myself, I see how I need that. I had to be myself, pretty and need that.
Okay.
Ndachinyore papo e papa don't eklavi papo oji tapo Alexandra McQueen Mugumbo Heavy Chidembo. I'm borrowing rides every day. Gotta lie where I stay just to slay. Drip a social every day. Kumaraini wakunditi Gucci fe. Binga sina chin. I don't have a house by the beach. I was never rich. I tried to be myself. I see how I did. I had to be myself. Kuti and did. Binga sina chin. I swear the first time I would the basic, unoda classic. I had to work overtime. Makuwa marefu aifuta wapa Paris. Ngakuda ni moyo weso funge. Hey, now we living life so funge. Borrow day with these guys, kumba with my friends. I'm borrowing rides every day. Gotta lie where I stay just to slay. Trip a social every day. Kumaraini wakunditi Gucci fe. Binga sina chin. I don't have a house by the beach. I was never rich. I tried to be myself. I see how I did. I had to be myself. Kuti and did. Binga sina chin. You see me dripping. I see you smiling. Is it the right on me? Is it the voice of me? I need to know chino to lean on me. I need to know. Tell me chino. Is it the right on me? Just a bunch. Is it the voice on me? Babe. Nisina chino to lean on me. Is it the Gucci on me? Nisina chino to lean on me. I'm borrowing rides every day. Gotta lie where I stay just to slay. Drip a social every day. Kumaraini wakunditi Gucci fake. Binge sina chino. I don't have a house by the beach. I was never rich. I tried to be myself. I see Avandida. I had to be myself. Kuti Vandida. Binga sinachi.
Next trick. I'm gonna so what's the next round? You both one.
Borrow day with these guys, kumba with my friends. I'm borrowing rides every day. Gonna lie where I stay just to slay. Drip a social.
So guys, this was it. Tanzania CP Emeritus.
Ipapo.
Chaura Ipapo. So guys, watch out for our next episode. We're on Ipapo Trick Media session. Deuces.